Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to part two. So today, behind me, I'm at Raceworks down here in Virginia Beach, Virginia. So they're the ones that installed the KW coilovers on my Infiniti G37S and also the HKS springs. But however, I got the wheels back there. We're gonna get these wheels swapped over. So yeah, sit back, grab a drink, and we'll go over the process. Catch you in a second. All right, y'all, so the wheels are now mounted and I'll do reveal. However, let's go home, let's weigh the stock wheels and see how much they weigh compared to these gram lights. So the gram lights in the front is 24.6 pounds, and in the back it's 25.6 pounds. So I'm really interested to see the difference in the forge wheels of the OEM and then these flow form wheels of the gram lights. So yeah, let's turn on the AC. It's hot. Let's get out of here, and I'll catch you in the garage. All right, y'all, we're back at the house. So let's weigh these OEM Supra wheels. Remember, these are forged compared to the flow formed of the gram lights. So the gram lights in the front were 24.6. So let's give it a go and throw in a scale. All right, 1, 2, 3. There we go, 24.4. All right, y'all, so the OEM rear wheel, let's throw it on the scale. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 25.6, so the gram lights were 25.4 rather, gram lights were 25.6. All right, y'all, I got my my point and chopstick, so let's do some investigation, check it out. So as we can see, these forged wheels, OEM Supra, are made in Taiwan, and it is a Toyota part, so that's pretty cool right there. You got all your Japanese, whatever, weight certifications right there, so yep, there it is. Right, so why did I purchase these, right? It's to get rid of this right here. So the OEM wheels were tucked probably a good maybe an inch on the inside. So now we're pretty much flush right here with the fender. So this definitely fills it in a lot better. Another side shot there. Bam, let's go check out the front. And just another view from the rear just for fun. So there it is. Very nice. All right, so here's another view from the front. As you can see, it has drastically pushed the wheel out with the fender. So very nice, very clean. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoyed that quick B-roll of the new wheels. I think they look pretty good on there. It does take a little bit to get used to the shininess and the bling factor of the black chrome finish. However, I think they look great on there. Other than that, feel free to leave a like, comment, subscribe. It's good luck, doesn't hurt anyone. And I'll catch you guys next time for some more Supra adventures. So once again, stay easy and take care out there, y'all. Later.